Hey guys, this is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to access your climate control in your 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. Let's get right to it. The feature we want to access is the climate control. So in order to get to that, you go to the infotainment screen right here, you tap on the seats right there, and you're shown all of this. So you got smart climate, classic climate, and air care. Smart climate basically goes into like the special features that this car has. Classic climate gives you the original, ordinary climate control systems that you usually get. And with air care, this is a really cool feature that we did on our Instagram. So what air care basically does is it says right here, activate this function to filter fine dust particles and pollen out of the vehicle interior air. Love how they have constructed the climate control within this vehicle. It is absolutely fantastic. Like right now, it's about 95, 100 degrees out. It's in Arizona, and I am super cold. And there's this actual quick cooling function, as you can tell from what we saw before, that it actually cools the car super quick, super cool. But if you have any questions about this vehicle, send us a message and we'd love to answer you back as soon as possible.